We got the free feature, y'all. Oh my god. Holy moly, this is crazy.
You're watching Bama Jana Slots.
Alright, I have a $30 ticket left from that crazy Rich Asians game. And I'm gonna go on this very cool Five Frogs old game. It's so fun. If you can get that bonus. Max bet, I think it's 320, yeah. So you gotta get 3 of these left to right. And that super feature is the good one. And then the frogs are wild. There we go. We got queens. And in the bonus, he will multiply. Pays really good. Oh, come on, bonus. Come on. Nice. Queens again for $1.60. Oh, come on, bonus. Alright, frogs, didn't get anything. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I got some 20s I want to use. Let me see. Yeah, here we go. I got 4 20s that I'm gonna put in here on this game because I want to hit that bonus, y'all. Let's start with 2 of them for now. Alright, come on. Oh, that's $10. Alright, very good. Alright, come on, let's get that bonus, baby. Come on. Let's go. Oh, where's the frog? Get it. Oh, man. Come on. Frog. Alright, didn't get the bet back. Oh, 10s. Nice. It's $20. Nice. Very good. Oh, come on. Bonus time. Let's go. Come on. Come on, frogs. Come on, froggies. Come on. Let's go, frog. Oh, man. Look at all that. I'm not even teasing the bonus. Come on. Oh, aces. Could have used a frog there. Oh, frog, where are you? Come on. Oh, man. Alright, and put my other 2 20s in here. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Alright, come on, we gotta get this bonus. Alright, here we go. Oh, come on. That's when we need a frog. Oh, come on now. Frog, yes. For $1.20. Let's go bonus. Come on, bonus. Man, it won't even tease in that first reel. I don't know. Oh, come on. Let's do it. Oh, it just went under. Man, we could have had 5 of them. That would have been amazing. I think that gives you way more games when you get more of the bonus symbols. Let's go, bonus. Come on. Oh, man. Look, it's right there. Those flowers. Come on. All Alright, last spin here. Oh, yuck. Look at that. Alright, didn't get that bonus.
Hey, how you doing today?
Good, how are you? I'm going after General Tso again this morning. Look at that. Major on dollar denom. See if I can hit something on here. I haven't really done that good on this game with dollar denom, but I'm gonna go for it with $100. Let's go. I think the best bonus I got was $100. It's just 100 even on a holding spin. Oh, look at that, 250. Oh wow, let's get that. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Ooh, flags. Come on, flags. Get it. Oh, get it. Yes. We are in on dollar denom, baby. Let's get it. Alright, come on, come on. Come on, hit it big. Let's go. Come on. No. Oh, that's terrible. Come on. Yes, we are in, baby. In. Nice. Alright, let's get some multiples on here. Come on. Yes, let's go. Come on, come on. Let's get double major, triple major, baby. Come on, come on. Oh, I saw double major go by. Oh, holy crap. Come on. Come on, come on. Give me that double major. Give me that double major. Let's go. Come on, double major, baby. Come on. Oh, come on, come on. Do it, do it. Get it. Yes, come on. Come on, double major. Double anything. Double mini, baby. Come on, come on. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, yeah. It's a decent little bonus there. Still in the games. We've got 3 more. Yes, another $100 on that one. Alright, dollar denom likes the $100 bonus. Hold and spin bonus. Alright, here we go. 3 more games. Let's go. Come on, get it. Oh, man. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get it. Get it. Oh, yes. We are in again. Alright, now time for that double major. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, double major. Get it. Come on. Come on. Do better. Do better. Come on. Come on. Double major. Double major. Come on. Come on. Come on. Double major. Let's go. Mini, minor, major. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Get it in that middle lane. Yeah. Yes. Oh my God. Fill it in. Fill it in, baby. Get it. Yes. Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it. Put something in there. Let's go. Put something in there. Get it. Get it. Oh, yeah. Look at that bonus. Nice. Oh, my gosh. Hi, guys, this is awesome. And another free game. Oh, this is nice. Okay. 725. Last game. Let's hit it. Come on. Come on. Oh. 725 bonus, y'all. That was amazing. Oh, let's do some backups here. That was awesome. Amazing bonus. Get it, get it. Oh. Flag, flag, flag. Yes. Yes, back in. Oh, let's get another big bonus with a double freaking major. Hey, even double minor. The minor's bigger than the major. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get it. Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, we got it all the way across for 100. Oh, no, it was 70. 70. Sorry. Hey, let's go. Let's get another awesome bonus. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Get it. Oh, yes. 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 3 more games. Let's go. Let's go. Get it. Get it. Oh, man. All right, we're at 100. Come on. Come on. Get it. Oh. Let's go. Get it. Oh, get it. Oh. Can't decide if I'm a fan of this split one. Oh, come on, come on. 3 more games, come on. Oh my God, oh. Oh, I was hoping for some wilds over here. Come on. Let's go, last game, get it, get it. Oh man, that was another 130, y'all. All right, let's do some more backup spins. Come on. Oh, we got them all the way up for $5. I forgot what the top symbol is on this one. I don't know what it is. All right, we'll do a few more spins. I'm good, thank you. All right. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. Come. We got the free feature, y'all. Oh my God. Holy moly, this is crazy. Oh, I was just about to stop. Come on, come on. Yes, come on, come on. Come on, mini minor majors, baby. Come on. Come on, come on. Doubles. Mini minor major. Let's hit it. Let's go. Come on. Yes, come on. Come on, come on. Yes, fill it in. Yes. Come on. Yes, get it. Come on, come on. Come on, give me a mini minor major. Mini minor major. Get it. I saw the major go by. Oh my God, come on, come on. Come on, major. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh my God, it was going by. It was going by. Alright, let me see if I can. Whoa! Fast tap that. Oh, sorry. It's 115. Nice. Free feature one. And it was only on like 300 something. 315 or something. It was amazing, y'all. Amazing. Alright, we gotta keep going. We gotta do some more backups. This one. Yes! Oh my God, we're on fire here. We're on fire. Let's go. Come on. Now that mini minor major is coming. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let's go. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes! Come on. Come on. We are at a comma now, you guys. We took $100. Come on. Oh, man. Let's fast tap it. Yes. Comma time. Comma time. Let's go. General Tso. Nice. All right, let's go. Get it. Oh, we got some kings for $5. Let's go, baby. Oh, man. All right, come on. Flag, flag, flag. Oh. Oh, wow, 50 bucks there. Man, almost got her up top. Nice. Preserving that comma. Let's go, baby. Mini. Oh, triple mini. That's $750 plus that 50. Oh my God. Oh. Would have loved to have gotten that in the bonus. Let's go, baby. Oh, look at that. Come on, come on. Oh, wild. Could get down there, buddy. Come on, come on. All right, y'all. Oh, just missed it. My dollar denom is doing it this morning. It wouldn't do it last night. Oh, didn't do it last night at all, but it is doing it today. Oh my God, look at those 75s. All right, we're stopping at 1,000. I'm gonna cash out $1,000 ticket, y'all. Oh, let's go. That's insane. All right, 2 spins. Unless we get it. Come on, come on. Last spin. Get it, get it. Oh, there we go. Cashing out 1,000, y'all. That was insane. I put in $100. We got a comma. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Bama Jana Slots now.